Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video. If you are new, please consider subscribing. I have a lot planned for today. It is early morning, 9:36 right now, and I'm going to grab the mail because I should have received 2 spark plugs for my Dodge Ram because it showed a misfire code, and I kind of started to feel it as I was driving, and then check engine light came on. So I bought 2 new spark plugs. Hopefully it's just the spark plugs, not coils or anything. And then I plan on taking the truck to the shop, take the Chrysler to get detailed, and then a few other things. So stick around. It's been a minute since I checked the mail. It's probably maybe 6 days worth. And check out what I picked up yesterday from Andy. And as I was driving on the freeway, the check engine light came on. Crazy unique color too. So as far as I know, cylinder 2 is right here. Kind of hard to see because of the air box. I'll probably need to remove the air box. And then once I start it, I kind of heard the belt. So I'll need to pour some water on it, see if the serpentine belt is going out, and if I need to replace it. I removed the air box, kind of put it to the side right here, but this should give me enough room to get in here, take off the coil pack, and then get to the spark plugs. I only need 2 spark plugs, but I bought 4 because they were cheaper. Removed the coil pack, and I think someone has been in here because they marked it 2, meaning it's the 2nd cylinder. So visibility is not the greatest because I didn't pull apart a lot of things, but it's in there. Here are the old plugs. I mean, the tips look fine. Some oil here, but it could be some kind of grease, anti-locking thread grease or something like that. Let's put the new ones in. I got the spark plugs replaced. Now, moment of truth. Will it start? I don't think I cleared the check engine code last time. So I'll probably need to do that. Yep, I did not do that. Now let's go pour some water on that serpentine belt. Can't hear it very well today. Oh. There you go, you guys should have heard that. Still have the slight ticking. It's definitely coming from this side. But as crazy as it is, it almost sounds quieter now. Who knows? But I hear the serpentine belt chirping again. I will show you guys the trick one more time. Don't know if it'll come through on the camera, but... and it completely goes away. All right. I am going to clear the check engine code, have some breakfast, and head out to the shop to pick up the Chrysler. I am on the freeway heading back to the lot, and I thought I forgot you guys at home. I'm glad I didn't. Today is the 3rd day where the weather is pretty dry. Kind of rained in the middle of the night, so it's kind of wet on the sides. Guys, you have no idea how ready I am for summer. Look at that blue sky. Pulling up, pulling up, pulling up. I love that barbed wire. Just something about it. I did want to put up my signs today, but I forgot my drill. But it's okay. I'm going to tackle one thing at a time, and right now it's that Chrysler. Look at that. So I was kind of scheduled to get this car detailed with another gentleman, but he told me he charges like $250 or $200. And if the car is super dirty, then $250. I sent him a few pictures and he goes $300. I was like, okay, whatever. I want to get this car sold. I want it to get detailed. And then I was with Andy yesterday, and he uses a different detailer. And I was like, yo, give me his contact info. So actually on the way to pick up this car right now, I contacted this other detailer, and he said $160 to detail the car. And I sent him pictures of the interior, exact same pictures that I sent to the other guy, and it looks like price is still $160, so it's a lot cheaper. And I've never used this guy, but I guess we'll find out if he does a good job or not. I mean, the cars that I sell for Andy, they are really clean, so I guess we're gonna find out. We got about a 10-mile drive, so it's not the closest, but it's not too far. Dropped it off. I'm at Vitali for the second time. Here's my ugly duckling. I don't know what else to even call it. I mean, it's a filthy car. So, leaving it here. He said it should be done tomorrow. Hi, Noah. Welcome. Hi, Chloe. Hi, babe. Welcome. Hi, Sophia. You ready to clean? Yeah. Yeah. First things first, I gotta get the S-Class out. And I think kind of move these cars around a little bit. Somewhat. Yeah, that's kind of what I want to do right now. I am very curious if, when I start the BMW right now, if the check engine light will be on. Nope. But I didn't drive it much, so I don't think it counts. BMW can sit there for a little bit. Let's get this S-Class out. A new battery in this car. Sweet, still starts. S-Class can sit there. Man, this thing really does look good. Really like the color. Which car do you like, Noah? You want to drive this one? I don't have the keys for this one. It's upstairs. These things don't hold whatsoever. Ooh. So we're going to replace them. All right, trunk struts replaced. Taking this home with me. And I need to go grab some power tools so we get to drive this thing. It's been warming up. I see temperature is dead center. Taking this back into the office, closing up and heading out. I haven't driven this car ever since I picked it up. And at low speeds, tighter turns, I feel like some kind of noise from the rear end. And I don't know what it could be. I guess we'll see what it's gonna feel like once I drive it a little bit more right now. Or it could be looking into things or reading into things. But boy, oh boy, is this thing smooth. It's kind of why I bought it. Missed the feeling of a Mercedes, especially an S-Class. Guys, I don't remember the last time, if ever, I had a car with massaged seats. This is nice. Just got home. All I want to do here is put the mats in, take this garbage out, take the garbage out that's inside the car. I think photograph it and get it listed for sale, grab some power tools and head back. Look at this, started to back out to leave and I forgot the power tools again. What a day today, what a day. Okay, now we can go back. I don't know about you guys, but I think this S-Class looks really, really good. Look at who came to visit. Look at this boss all the way from Seattle. What's up, bro?
Scared me.
Let's see if I could get this done with the help of my father. I just need to go grab the ladder. I am almost done. Dad was holding the ladder. I was up there working. I feel like the sign weighs around 50 pounds. It was heavy. My knees are shaking, my hands are shaking. I just need that the bottom left corner, there's a little cutout that holds it. Basically need to slide it into that and then screw it together and that should be done. Dad came through with the help. I have done it. Big day for me. And I guess why I'm making such a big deal about it, I don't mind heights, as long as I'm secure and I know I'm safe. OSHA would not approve me going up 15-20 feet with no harness. So that's why I'm a little jittery, and I'm good. I'm good. So sign went up. Need to do one more sign and then finish up the fence. And I think the big things are pretty much done. Me and my father are making great progress. We finished up this side and we are about a foot short right here. We're starting to lose sunlight. I mean, it's actually a really beautiful day. It didn't start out this way, but it's cold. My nose is feeling the cold breeze. So this will be done. We actually just walked around on the other side. You can't really see that well into the lot. You can still clearly see through it, but once it kind of gets darker, I think it definitely helps, especially for, you know, someone just driving by. Busy day. I guess this is what it takes to run a business and start a business. By the way, guys, if you are new to the channel, this is all new to me. No one in my family owns a business. No one has, I guess, done what I'm doing in my family. So for the most part, all of this is new to me. I'm learning as I go. That's why I'm doing this. That's why I'm taking videos. So if anyone is trying to do the same thing, I guess more or less you guys will have an idea of what it takes. Man, my day is filled with visitors. Let's go take a look at this beautiful SL.
Yeah, dude, that's definitely gonna stop 90%.
I was saying visitor central today.
Oh yeah.
Guys, this is gonna be it for today. It was a very busy day, but I got a lot done. And I appreciate you guys joining. I appreciate you watching. And I will see you guys in another video.